Hey, it's Bradley Woods here, and what I want to talk about is done for you services. I've been seeing this program all over the internet, all on Facebook, all on YouTube. It's by got Wesley $1 billion Virgin, right? And it's an interesting program. And so a lot of people are probably wondering if you're checking out this video, you're probably wondering, is this offer legit, or is it just another scam that we're seeing that's being passed around on the internet? And um, I'm here to provide you with the honest review of what I've thought about the program um, so far. I had a chance to check it out. I had the chance to see how everything works, and so I just wanted to shoot with you straight, share an honest review from somebody that's seen how it works, not somebody that's just spouting off at the lips but doesn't really know what they're talking about just so they could get some YouTube views or YouTube followers or whatever, piggybacking off of his name and off of his services and what he offers. Because you do see a lot of that. A lot of people you'll see that promote, is this a scam or not? They probably haven't even looked at the program, to be honest with you. So I actually have had a chance to look at this program. And what it is, it's an internet marketing program that allows anyone, no matter where they are at in their journey online, to quickly and easily start creating another stream of income online. I've been doing internet marketing since 2005, and I've had some success, and it's been a struggle at times because I've tried to do everything myself. Whether it's creating the graphics, creating the landing pages, doing the copywriting, checking my ads every day, making sure my ads are profitable. Well, with Done For You Services, what they've been able to do is they set up a team where Wesley has contracted out his developers, his ad managers, and they actually will set up everything for you. They'll come through and they set up they help you pick a great domain name that will convert. They create the landing page for you. They set up your Facebook pixels. They set up your YouTube and Google pay-per-click ads, and they help you set up your Facebook ads. And then all it really just comes down to is just running the ads on a daily basis. And it's pretty interesting. So I joined a little over 2 weeks ago. I checked out this offer, and I said, well, why not? Because here's the thing: it's very hard to try to do everything yourself, but why not? If somebody can prove that they can get results, why not just go to the person that's getting the massive results that you want and just copy everything they're doing and use it for yourself? And I realize that's really the smart play. Instead of just making thousands of dollars a month, now learning from Wesley and his team, quickly begin to make thousands of dollars a day, which is incredible. And I know it's a possibility because I've seen other people's ad campaigns that are doing that and more, and I'm able to actually copy those ads. So it's been interesting. So I signed up a little over 2 weeks ago. They created my landing page. They set up um, my ad campaign, my Google pay per click ads. I started running ads, and within the first 6 days, I was already generating sales. So what I'm planning to do here is over the next few weeks and months and years to really just take you on this journey with me and share with you um, the ups and downs that come with building an internet marketing business using Done For You services. Because let me tell you the truth, it is legit. There's a reason why Overnight Millionaire and what Wesley has been able to create with the Done For You service, why they are the number one selling product online. It's because they got an army of people with proven tactics that work, and they're teaching people how to create money online. Because here's the thing, and everyone knows this, you probably already heard this yourself. If you want to make money, you help enough other people get what they want, and you'll automatically get what you want. And that's what they've been able to do with this. They're able to take people that might not necessarily have any experience with making money online and give them the game plan, the blueprint. It's like it's McDonald's cookie cutter, and shows them how to create money online. and I have the sales to prove that it works. And I'm just excited to share with you a little bit of every week about what I'm doing and how it's going, and keep you posted on um, Done For You services and everything that goes on in their back end. So I am so excited to be able to share this with you and be on this journey, and to be able to share my results with you and the world so that you can make an informed decision for yourself. And if you're interested in checking it out, be sure to like, subscribe to this channel, and then check down in the description below. And I put a link so you can get a discount on the Done For You services if you'd like to check it out for yourself. And with that, I hope you have a great one, and I will talk to you soon with updates. Take care.